What's up, guys? So today we're gonna make some scrambled eggs. So I'm just gonna make 2 eggs. We're out of milk, so you don't have to have milk to make eggs. So this is how you make scrambled eggs in the microwave. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, this is how I do it. Tomorrow, so we're going to go through show tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll do a video and make the eggs. Show you guys how you make the eggs with the milk. Today's video is going to be without the milk. So let's get started. Welcome back. So it's your boy Austin here, and let's get started for making scrambled eggs. Alright, so I like to use gloves so that way my hands don't get slimy, or I don't know. But anyways, so I take a regular bowl, as you can see here. I crack the egg, whoops, onto the bowl, the shell in there, okay, and then same thing, okay, so then there we go. Then with the gloves, I sift through here, make sure I didn't get any of the shells in there, which did perfect today. So then what we're going to go ahead and do is take, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a fork, because this is how I like to do it. I'm going to take a fork, and we're just going to as you guys can see here, that's what we're doing. Stir the eggs. Now, these red bowls, I know a lot of you are probably commenting right now saying, sorry, that aren't those bowls microwavable? I probably are, a lot of you are probably commenting that right now, but these are. So to answer you guys' question in advance, they are microwavable. This is how I like to make my eggs. So if we stir it, stir it some more. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to, so with 2 eggs, you want to put it in the microwave for 45 seconds, and okay. Alright, so I'm just going to put the fork in here for right now. Let's put the rest of the eggs back in the fridge. Alright, so what you want to do is, like I said, you want to put the the bowl. I put it in here for 45 seconds. So you press time cook, which I'll show you guys. Okay, I take one glove off. So I'll show you. Microwave. Okay, so you want to put it, so you press time cook, and then 45 seconds, and then start. Okay, so see how the eggs look now? Okay, so then what you want to do is, just go like this. Get all the, here, let's turn the camera back around. Sorry, this is like my first cooking video, so I apologize for the horrible camera work here. So what you want to do is take the fork, go like this, and after you do that, then you want to put it back in the microwave for 45 more seconds. Which it's almost ready to go back in there. See how like some of it's still a little bit liquidy? You don't want that. So I'll show you guys why in a moment when you guys watch it in the microwave, what'll happen. So I'll tell you in advance what's going to happen right now. What you'll see is it'll rise up and then it'll rise back down, and that means it's all done. So let's just get the rest of the little curds here on the side of the bowl. Okay, so let's turn the camera back around and put it right here. So just put the fork just like that. Okay, so ow. Sorry. So then you want to put it back in here, and then time cook again, and then 45 seconds, and then start. And then what you'll see is, you know, it'll rise up and then rise back down again. So I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see. See how it's like rising up? So we got a couple more seconds left to go. So now I'm going to turn the camera back around. Let's take this out. Okay, take the fork again. Okay, so there's no milk in here, so it's going to taste a little weird. But that's okay. Like I said earlier, this is my first cooking video. So yeah. So see how it looks now? It looks a lot better. That's how you want it to look. Again, I didn't add anything to it. So usually I just add milk, and then when it's done I add a little ketchup, which is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, and you want to take your fork, you want to like cut it up a little bit to make it easier to eat. Or, yeah, to make it easy. So yeah, there's my first ever cooking video. And I'm going to create a new channel called Cooking with Austin. I'm having fun cooking. So my first couple of videos will be obviously scrambled eggs, a few different scrambled egg videos, and then toast, how to make the best toast, and yeah, so those will be my first ever cooking videos. So yeah, I'm excited to start this channel, so it's gonna be awesome. So, yeah. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright. So, what I'm going to show you guys is the ketchup. So, I like to add a little ketchup to my eggs. So, now my eggs are done. Take the gloves off. So, I like to add a little bit of ketchup. So, this is the ketchup that I have. It's called Simple Truth Organic, organically grown tomato ketchup, made with California tomatoes. So yeah, this is the ketchup, and wow, only 15 calories. It's ketchup, not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup to my eggs here. See how they tasted. See how they taste. See how my eggs taste real quick. Let's see here. See how they taste. It's a little bit hot, but let's see how they taste. Perfecto. Yummy. And there you go. So again, I didn't add any milk to this. I didn't add any salt or pepper or anything like that. We're out of milk. So, and like I said earlier in the video, we're going to be going grocery shopping in the morning. So, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video, I'll show you how to add the milk and what it'll taste like with the milk, because it tastes really good with the milk. But yeah, I was kind of getting hungry and I wanted to make this video. So, yeah, this tastes really good. I was watching some videos earlier, and there's this one lady who's making a how to make eggs video, and like how to make it on the stove. And let me tell you guys, she put way too much butter. She put way too much butter on the pan. She had like this thick of a butter, because she like used the butter stick, and she sliced out like this thick of butter. And by the time the butter was already melted on the pan, there was like still like this much thickness of the butter left. So I don't know what that was all about. But yeah, so you only need a little bit of butter. But again, the easiest way to make eggs is in the microwave. You can make it in the microwave. This is all real time. So all my videos will be, all my cooking videos. So for right now, my cooking videos will be toaster and microwave. Because I do have a cooking goal. So once I learn how to make things on the stove, I'll definitely make those videos not until next month. So for the next 2.5 weeks, my cooking videos will be microwave and toaster videos. So yeah, so stay tuned, and yeah. So anyways, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, these eggs turned out perfectly. So again, we're out of milk. We're going shopping in the morning. So all I added to it was, today, obviously with no milk, I just added some ketchup. It tastes just fine. Eggs are supposed to be healthy, and I add the ketchup to my eggs because it gives it a bit of a flavor to it. But as you guys saw there, I only added just a little bit of ketchup. Oh my goodness, it tastes amazing. It tastes just right. Alright, peace.